What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Breaking Now, getting ready for our early bird cup release day break. We always love the early bird breaks, but the early bird cup case break's always a favorite of mine every year. First look at the product. You're looking at a 6-box master case here. We decided to do 3 boxes for the early bird. We got more cases coming up later tonight, more posting. So let's check out the product. Here's your teams. Ryan, Calgary. Ryan Norris is Minnesota. Bob, San Jose. Isaiah, Vegas. Johnny, Nashville. Ross, Carolina. Raymond, Florida. Darren, Dallas. Steven is Arizona and Utah. Jamie, Detroit. Ross, Buffalo. Jay, Columbus. John, Pittsburgh. Ryan, Ottawa. Durham, New Jersey. Johnny, Washington. Michael, Winnipeg. Roger, St. Louis. Shane, LA. Mike, Seattle. John, Anaheim. Andrew, Colorado. Ross, Vancouver. Ryan, Philly. Christopher, Montreal. Johnny, Chicago. Good luck, man. Tyler, Islanders. Tyson, Tampa Bay. Bob, Rangers. Nick, Edmonton. John, Toronto. And Ross is Boston. There's your teams. Lots of big cards in this product. Biggest product of the year. It ain't cheap. And, of course, Bedard. We got the Bedard tax on it with being Bedard's last rookie product. Now, let's get this going. We're going to pop this case open. And we're going to be doing either the left side or the right side via a dice roll. All right, let's do it up. Make this team list a little bit smaller. This is the early bird break. We have more breaks coming up tonight. We have a pick a team posted. I don't think the pick a team is going to fill, to be honest with you. It's pretty slow, but the random filled up really fast. So I might just pull the plug on the pick your team and do the random. I guess everybody wants the same teams in the random. But I guess that'll be the plan. Probably going to pull the plug on the pick your team and repost another random. All right, we're doing 1, 2, 3 left side of the case and 4, 5, 6 right side of the case. We got a 4. That means right side is ours. 1, 2, 3. So 3 of these is ours. We'll put them right here. And since we're going to be doing this other side of the case later tonight, I'll read you off the tag numbers just in case. 8026. I know you probably can't see them as good as me. 8270 and 0068. So those are the 3 boxes that we're putting away from the other side of this case. And that's our 3 right there. Just give me a sec and we're getting started. All right, let's do it. 3 boxes. Feel free to get your 1-on-1 guesses in. We find a 1-on-1 and you guess $100 in your pocket. Nice looking tins. Three boxes. Not going to take too long. I'm going to have some more of this later. Not till probably 8 or 9 p.m. tonight. Ooh, it feels like a thicky. And last one. What do you think? Always some bangers in the cup. I'd love to find a nice shield, 1-on-1 shield, or a nice 99 patch auto for one of the big dogs. I also love that Gordie Howe booklet. If you saw the teaser pictures, the Gordie Howe booklet is unreal. And that nine-way booklet's unreal too. Lots of sick cards. The actual getting the box open is half the video, sure. Okay, there's one. Number 2, if you like what you see here, like I said, more coming up tonight, more posting throughout the day. We had a pick your team posted, but I think I'm going to pull the plug on the pick your team and repost it as the random. All right, number 1, here we go. We got Brian Leach, number to 249 for the New York Rangers, starting us off. Base card. Patch auto, numbered to 99. Ooh, that's pretty. We got Calgary Flames, Connor Zary. Connor Zary for the Calgary Flames, number to 99. Give me a second, let me fix that camera. There we go, it should be a little bit better. Nice looking card for Calgary. Calgary's Ryan, first man on the list. This is a gorgeous looking card. Whew. Rogie Vachon for the LA Kings. I like it. Nice, beautiful looking card. LA Kings. Second autograph. We got a nasty patch right here coming up. Nice. Super nice. Check out this patch for the Ottawa Senators. 4 of 4, Brady Tkachuk. Damn. That's nice. 4 of 4, Ottawa Senators. Gorgeous looking card. Ottawa's Ryan. The bottom of the logo, bottom of the emblem. This show, number to 99. Shane Corson, Montreal Canadiens. 10 of 99. We got the store open up here in about just under an hour's time. This product will be on the shelf, and we're going to be breaking some more of it later tonight. And we have rookie card below. All right, something new they're doing this year in the Cup. It's a pre-cased patch auto rookie for Simon Nemec. So been a lot of hoopla over them putting these slabs. Some people are a fan, some people like it, some people not a fan. It's been pretty mixed reviews, to be honest with you. Everybody kind of stands in a different spot on it, but I like it. At least they're trying something. At least they're trying to keep the cards protected. You know, it's no shocker that the Cup cards come out banged up out of the box sometimes. And this is they can't encase all the cards, so they're encasing the patch autos of the rookies. I like it. Like I said, some people don't like it because it's not actually graded. It's just in a case, and when you go to grade it, you probably have to bust it out, and you know you might risk getting some damage on the card, which is true. You'll just have to be very careful doing it. But I like it. I mean, how many more times can people say, "Oh man, the Cup's awesome," but you know it's just so much money. It comes up dinged out, comes out dinged up out the box. Excuse me. So this is their way of trying to fight it, I guess. Next. We got number 249, Tarasenko. Damn. Big card coming here. I had to put this away for a sec right here. All right, we're going to come back and see that one. How about a Boston Bruins logo marks? Oh my God, that's nasty. Boston is Ross. Logo marks. Foundations. Excuse me, Nico Hischier. 42 of 49. New Jersey Devils. Quad jersey. Savoy, 90 and 99. It's a pretty basic looking card. Not much font on the front. Rookie Rink Gallery. All right. 90 and 99. Kind of remind you of something from Black Diamond, to be honest with you. 90 and 99 Buffalo Sabres. And here comes our encased rookie patch auto. Number to 249. Evangelista for the Nashville Predators. Rookie patch auto. 3 of 249. Nashville is Johnny. Yeah, Ryan, you hit the first auto with a break, I believe it was. It was Connor Zary. Nice little hit. Connor Zary patch auto. Rookie patch auto. There it is. All right, one more box to go, and then I got a big card to show you before we're all said and done here. It's hiding behind. All right, not a bad first look at the cup here. Going to be seeing lots more of it later tonight. This is just an early bird break to get a good look at it. Right, here we go. Oh man, yeah. All right, it's cup release day. That's right. We got Voronikov. God damn. I mean, eventually I'm going to have to show you a card, right? All right, I'm going to show you this one. Check it out. Big hit coming up. Oh, my word. Material Sticks. Material Sticks patch auto. Check this one out. Boom! Austin Matthews, 3 of 15. Nice. Material Sticks. Damn. Damn. Nice hit. Congrats, John, with Toronto. Very nice. Matthews. How about Corey Crawford, signature renditions for the Chicago Blackhawks? Gorgeous card, and to be honest with you, that's a nice card. But I think the bigger hit is still yet to come here. Corey Crawford, signature renditions. There's another one for Calgary. 24 of 35, Connor Zary, Matthew Coronado, Dustin Wolf. That's not only a trios, but it's a rookie trios. Different colors too. Nice looking card. 24 of 35. Pretty on the eyes. All right, up next, Devon Levi. 95 and 99. Not sure I'm a huge fan of this set. Taking the basic to a whole new level here. 95 and 99. All right, we got a patch, encased patch auto to show you here. Rookie. And then we got a big card hiding behind here. And yes, bigger than the Matthews that we just hit. No offense, Mr. John Sloan. All right. Patch auto. Rookie patch auto for Vancouver. 247 to 249. Vancouver. All right, so we got 3 rookie patch autos encased, 1 per box. And check this one out. All right, beauty hit. Numbered to 15. First one made, too. First one made for good measure of 15. We have, boom, Emblems of Endorsement, rookie patch auto for Logan Cooley. That's a sharp looking card right there, and the patches matching up in the Emblems of Endorsement. Super nice. First one made of 15 for the Arizona-Utah spot. Hell yeah. 2 big hitties in the first early bird case of the Cup. Gotta love it. Logan Cooley, patch auto, Emblems of Endorsement, and Austin Matthews, material stick patch auto. Guys, if you're interested in checking out some more of this product, we got more breaks of it coming tonight. If you are watching us on YouTube and you're not in our Facebook group, check out the information down below. Get involved in the group. We got breaks posting every day, all day. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate you joining us, and we'll check you later. Don't forget, go big or go home.